Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is try. Here's a picture of someone trying street food. Here is try in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Try means make an attempt or effort to do something new. Try. Past progressive was trying, past tried. Present progressive trying, present try. Future will try. Let's build a sentence. I am trying. Today, we will use the present progressive tense. I am trying. Let's build a sentence. I am trying. What? What am I trying? I am trying to work. Let's build a sentence. I am trying to work. How? How am I trying to work? I am trying to work efficiently. Efficiently. Let's build a sentence. I am trying to work efficiently. Where? Where am I trying to work? I am trying to work efficiently on my research paper. Let's build a sentence. I am trying to work efficiently on my research paper. Why? Why am I working on a research paper? For my academy. Let's build a sentence. I am trying to work efficiently on my research paper for my academy. Why? Why am I working efficiently? So I can watch TV later. That's a good answer. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.